welcome to JFK International Airport. Forgetting something? Oh yes, Santa's here. Oh, hello there, my friend. Can I get a passing high five? Ooh, just like that. You want to take an Elfie with me? Wow, that's a beautiful one. Say cheese. Do these come with milk? Everybody say cheese puff. Let's race, okay? You want to race? Here we go, we're racing. Hello there, my friends. I didn't recognize you. You got so big. What happened? And you. Yo. And for you, oh, I love this. One of my favorite gifts, a blender. No? Say carpaccio. Wow, look at that airplane. Hello, kiddo, how are you? The reindeer had a little hard time getting through security because we weren't cleared by the airport tower. Boom, just like that. Oh! Oh, yeah. It's me driving my sled. Merry Christmas. Can I get a high five? Yes, right on.